In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Ethernet drivers in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on Windows 11 or 10 on a PC or a laptop. So let's say you've just got your Ethernet in, but you might find it's not working properly, it's not giving you the exact speeds or anything like that, and you maybe just want some more stability from your Ethernet. Well, what you want to go ahead and do is right click your Windows icon and then go to Device Manager. Also, when you go to that, make sure you are actually on Ethernet and you're not just on Wi-Fi. And then all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you find network adapters. You might just see it like this, and then go ahead and open up the drop down. Now you're going to see your Ethernet controller, whichever one it may be for you. In my instance, it'd be the Intel R Ethernet controller. And then all I want to go ahead and do is right click this, and then I'm going to see update driver right here. Go ahead and press that, and then I can search automatically for the best driver. What I could also do is search up the name of my specific Ethernet online and download the driver from Chrome. And then when I go ahead and update driver, I can browse the computer once it's downloaded. And yeah, it's as simple as that.